What's up, everyone? It's Eric with Option Edge again, and I'm showing you another strategy for the SPY Spyder ETF of the S&P 500. I've been doing a decent amount of videos on the SPY, but I have even another strategy for you guys. So let's take a look. I'm using Trade Machine Pro, a backtesting software that I like, and so today the technical open that was hit was the SPY crossed up through its 21-day moving average. Okay, so let's go ahead and see that on the chart. Moving average exponential. Ooh, I have two of them. Let's enter we want inputs 21. Boom. Okay, you can see crossed right up through there and closed above it. In order for the trigger to be valid, it has to close above that 21 exponential day moving average. So, okay, we did that. And now let's go ahead and look at what this strategy actually is. So you see up here, you see 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 monthly. And then it says 37, 30, 20, 10. Okay, so what does that mean? It's basically what this is it's two ratio spreads in one. So let's go ahead and take a look what that looks like. So we are going to long a put at the 37 delta, short a put at short two puts at the 30 delta, and short another one at the 20 delta, and then buy behind that 2 10 delta puts. Okay, so let's see how this looks on Robinhood. So we're going to go to SPY. What this trade looks like, trade options. 30 days from today is the 15th of October. We were going to first buy a put at 37 delta. So let's go find that. 37 delta. So that would be maybe 442 or see 441. Let's go with 442. It's closest to 37. Next, we're to sell the 30 delta. Okay. 437. Okay, and we're going to deal with the numbers. I'll show you how to change the numbers real quick, and then we're going to sell another one, a 20 delta. Let's find the 20 delta. All right, that's 20, and then we're going to finally buy a 10 delta. Okay, so 10 delta is pretty darn far down. Let's go with 410, 10 delta. Okay, so as you can see, right now, the strategy has, we're buying and selling one of each. So we're going to change that. And if we remember, what was the, so we're shorting the 2 30 deltas, and we're going to buy 2 10 deltas. The rest are one contract only. So we're going to go to custom arrow, change that to instead of a normal 1-to-1 ratio, we have a new unique ratio. So we long okay, so this is our 30 delta, the 437. We're to put 2 there, and then our 10 delta, we're to put 2 there. Let's see, okay, and then hit continue, and we will place. Okay, before we place this trade, interesting about this. So if we look at this, you can see that that if where's the current price? Okay, SPY price is at 447.12. So what's great about this is even if the S&P 500 goes down, okay, another 10 points to the downside, that's when we are at our max profit. Okay, we can make almost $1,000 there. Okay, so and we start to lose money once we get below $428. So let's see where's $428 on the chart. Let's draw a line here. All right, so right about here. So I mean, the S&P 500 has been on a massive rally, and it's been sort of top heavy, so to speak. But I really would. It would really have to be, I think, a decent sized crash for that to happen. Real quick, let me just do something. I just drew this, so it's actually a 4% move. We would start to lose on a 4% move, and I don't have. I'm sure there's different databases and stuff that can go back and see how many times a 4% move happened in the S&P 500, but my guess it's very few times. Let's go back to the back test. So this is the 5-year back test, and you can see that it's hard to beat this strategy over the past 5 years. Yeah, only loss was $32, gross gain, boom. So the only downside with this strategy is that, let's go ahead and review order. The only downside with this strategy is it requires a lot of capital to make, compared to the capital, not too much money. Our max, technically our max downside, we could lose, quite a lot of money. So you'd have to, be very cognizant of where you are with this trade. But overall, it's a pretty good strategy, and it's hard to beat these back testing results. So if you like it, try it out. As always, this is not advice. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe. Sorry, my dog's whining in the background. All right, have a good day. Peace out.